In this video, we will learn how to use parse number. So, parse number is used when we want only numbers from our data. So, it basically cuts out all the alphabets and characters that we have in our data. So, for example, here we can see in number we have dash symbol in between, and if I want to send a message via CRM, then it will not go if we have this dash here. So what we'll do is go to this. Here I will select parse number. Now in between this bracket I'll write my input. So here I want it to be number, and then I will simply run and save this. So the WhatsApp number used here was this. As we can see, dash was removed from here.